Sitting with Lydia and she has the hiccups. This is the first time that she's had them where she recognizes them.
Yep. Is that the noise that it makes?
Are you trying to fake them?
Are you being goofy? Are you being goofy?
Oh goodness. Yeah.
So is that what you...
No.
It's that long wait in between. You're funny. Oh, that's nice. Do you still have them?
Uh-oh.
Do you still have your hiccups?
Do you have the hiccups anymore?
Oh, love you, sissy. Bye.
Say bye-bye.
It's such a funny experience. Don't shoot the milk out your nose.